How to create Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to create Instagram account. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Instagram app. So once you have updated your Instagram app, simply click open right here and then press and hold on this button right here on the bottom right corner of the screen. So once you press and hold on that button, click on add account and click on create new account. And then type in the username that you want. So for example, I'll just type in this one and click on next right here. So as you can see, let's go back first. There is a green check button right here. This means that this username was not used by other users yet. So if you cannot see that green button right here, I mean icon, then make sure to change your username so that it won't have any conflict with other usernames. So click on next and then you may share your accounts on your Instagram. So you may share it through your other accounts on Instagram. And then click on create password instead if you don't want to share your logins on your other Instagram accounts. So click on create password instead and then type in the password that you want. So you just type in right there. Click on next once you are done and then type in your phone number or your email right here. So you just type in and then click on next once you are done. So I'll just type in um, email right here and then click on next and then make sure that your email has not been used yet on your other account. So you may click on create new account if you want to and then it will then say that welcome to Instagram and then your username right here and click on complete sign up right here. Wait for it to load and then that's it. That's how you can create Instagram account. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.